Child, I said I was finna get up. Poof, and I didn't. But my boyfriend is outside walking the dogs. I still ain't get up, so you know what that means. Let me stop playing. Okay, let me get ready. Let me get ready for real.
Come on, you want to come on, you want to learn. Come on, pick a style, hey, pick a style, pick a style, hey, pick. You want to follow, come on, you want break.
So, I have officially gotten to the point where my regular jeans don't fit anymore. If you don't try to put jeans on, baby, you don't feel my thing up. Say hey to the vlog. 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 Hey. This is my breakfast for today. It's a plain bagel with honey cream cheese and a little bit of honey drizzled on top. This combo is just effortless. So we about to load the car up. Not to eat bagels. So if you want to know a little trick and you don't have a toaster oven, all you gotta do is warm your bagel up in the microwave for about 15 seconds. And if you got an air fryer, nice and toasty. Eat it. What? So how this a prank? Ain't no damn prank.
Nah, that shit good.
I hope y'all ready, cause it's about to get real. I ordered these off Amazon, and this is a stack of 1,000 labels. Nobody wants to answer the phone, so they order gonna get canceled. I tried to call you. Hey, you made an order online, and I'm just trying to make sure that your address. Okay, thank you. So at this point, we have about 2,700 orders, and there is only 2,028 unfulfilled, which means we shipped Well, that means that I made about 700 and something labels so far, which is great. Packing the orders are really simple, but sometimes you could get confused when you're not paying attention and you're rushing. So that's why I like to mark down on my papers and do like a check mark and make sure I have the right quantity and make sure I have the right products, especially before sealing it up. But this process is pretty repetitive, so I'm not going to attach too many clips of me packing orders, but it's really simple. It is time consuming now. Don't just think that it just happens within 5 seconds and boom. No, this is a time consuming process. As previously stated, I made about 700 labels and some change. And by the end of the day, we had accomplished all of those. Like 700 is really, it's a lot, but 700 is nothing compared to what we normally do. But we got them all done today. So tomorrow they'll be going to the post office and getting shipped out to their new owners. The platform that I use to ship my orders, like to create my labels and my packing slips, is through Shippo. GoShippo.com. So far, I've been using them for about a year and a half now, and I really like their service. It's really easy to use. So if you're a business owner and you're trying to find the perfect shipping options and all of that, just go to GoShippo. You could set up a free account. It's just the features, like if you want to do automated, information like to send out to your customers, like, oh, your order has been shipped. Like if you want to add those on, it just costs more per month, but to create your account, it'll be completely free. Okay, so today was a pretty good day. It wasn't that bad. Like, it was busy, but it was doable. My boyfriend loaded up the car with the packages. He has some in his car, so in the morning we're gonna wake up early and drop them off to the post office. Very soon we are about to transition from USPS to UPS, and they're going to be coming to the store and picking them up from us. USPS does offer this service where they pick up the packages from you, but I don't know what been going on in our area, but it's just been a hassle dealing with them. So we just go to the post office and drop off to our favorite post office in Savannah. But soon we're going to transition to UPS, just for more security if it works out, especially with people, like sometimes they lose packages or packages be stuck in one place for weeks and weeks and there's no explanation behind it. It's just a lot of aggravation. But today we shipped 700 orders and some change, like a little bit over 700 we packaged and shipped as a team, and that's so awesome. Like to be a small business and get that many done in one day. Like we really could have did more, but I did a late start. So tomorrow we'll probably do about 1,000. And I know I look rough or whatever, but baby, I'm a real person. I do not be dolled up every single day of my life, and I'm not going to be dolled up every single day of my life. Like, that's just unrealistic. And honestly, I don't really like wearing makeup that much because it be breaking me out. So I don't really be into that much. And I just feel so accomplished for the day. I reached my goal. A lot of products sold out really fast, and by this time next year we'll be in stores worldwide. Let's manifest that. Period. The way I feel right now, I want to go home, get me a little bubble bath going, sip me a glass of wine. I freaking wish, like, people be saying they be drinking wine while they pregnant, but I ain't gotta drink that fucking bad, cause hell no, if some shit go wrong, I'm gonna be feeling like a fucking bad parent. So fuck that. No. Before I end my vlog, once I got home, this was the amount of orders that I had gotten so far for the day. But by this time next year, we're gonna be in stores worldwide, honey. Let's get into it. Let's get into it. But I hope y'all enjoyed this little vlog, this little video, and I'll see y'all next time.